First of all, my friend, take a look at these videos.
Of course you know why I'm here.
Essay, this is not the right place and time to talk about this.
Sister, you can't keep pretending that this is not your child. Mama is dead now, so it's your responsibility to take care of him.
Essay, please, take this child back home. We can discuss this somewhere else.
Wait, you still haven't told him.
I can't, Essay. This will ruin our marriage.
Then what do we do?
Now come and look at this TikTok channel. If you check these videos, you will notice that they are 2D cartoon-style animated videos. And when we talk about these videos, they look like 2D animation, based on real-life stories. In these videos, real-life family situations are shown, how problems happen inside a home, how family members handle those problems, and how sometimes people in a family argue with each other. Another amazing thing about this niche is the earning potential. The earnings are usually higher because this is 2D cartoon animation content, and the average view duration is very high. Our goal is not just to teach you how to make 2D animation. Our real goal is to show you how you can earn from it. The video you are seeing on the screen right now is a 2D animated video that I created, and I made this extended video using a very simple tool. So let's start the video. Guys, as you already know, I have already prepared a master prompt for you. This master prompt is designed for creating 2D African cartoon-style animation for TikTok channels with consistent characters and clean 2D cartoon style. The prompt ensures that the characters remain consistent in every scene, voiceover scripts for each scene, text-to-video prompts, and many other helpful elements. I will provide this master prompt link in the description. You simply need to copy the prompt. After copying it, go to ChatGPT and paste it there. As soon as you paste the prompt, ChatGPT will first generate a story idea. Then it will generate character designs, usually around 4 characters. After that, it will generate scene titles. Next, it will generate image prompts. After that, it will generate text-to-video prompts. And finally, it will generate voiceovers for all 10 scenes. However, today we will focus on text-to-video creation and how to create a long video. In other words, I will show you how to start the next video from the same place where the previous video ended, so you can easily create longer storytelling videos. So what I do is I go to Whisk AI. Guys, Whisk AI is very useful because it helps you generate consistent characters. It uses a nano banana model, and because of that, it creates very well-designed and consistent characters. If you look on the left side, you will see several options like subject, scene, and style. If you add details in these sections, the AI will generate an even more consistent visual style. So what I do first is go to the top and copy the first character prompt. Then I go back to Whisk AI and paste it there. Next, I go back to ChatGPT again and copy the style for all scenes and paste it into Whisk AI as well. After pasting it, you need to select the aspect ratio 1.1. You can choose other ratios as well, but since this is for character generation, we will select 1.1. Then simply click Generate. As soon as you click Generate, you will see that the first 2D cartoon-style character will be generated. In the same way, I copy the second character, which is the mother, paste it into Whisk AI, and click Generate again. Then I copy the third character, which is the boy, paste it there, and generate it. After that, there is another character, the neighbor Musa. So I copy that as well, paste it here, and click Generate. Within a few moments, you will see that all the characters are generated in front of you. Next, if you want to generate the scene images, you simply use the image prompts provided below. What you need to do is add the characters in the subject section, add the background in the scene section, and add the consistent style in the style section. Then you can customize and generate the images easily. For example, I copy the first image prompt, paste it into Whisk AI, and as you can see, it generates the first image scene, which looks very clean, very amazing, and very professional. In the same way, you can generate all the images, but today we are going to focus on text-to-video generation. So now let's start the main part of the video, how to create long animated videos using text-to-video tools. Guys, next we will generate text-to-video. The tool that I am going to use is called Grok AI, and I will put the link in the description. You simply need to come here. After coming here, you have to log in. Once you log in, there is nothing complicated to do. You will see an option called Imagine. Click on Imagine. After that, you need to select Video. Then choose the aspect ratio 16.9. Apart from that, there is nothing else you need to change. Just keep everything default. Now what I do is go to the top where the first image prompt is. You need to copy it. After copying it, come to Grok AI and paste it here. then go back again. After going back, copy the text-to-video prompt for scene 1. Once you copy it, paste it here as well. Then again go back and copy the voiceover for scene 1. After copying it, paste it into Grok AI. Now our text-to-video prompt is ready. Now I simply click on Generate, and our video generation has started. In a short time, our video will be ready. Next, I will also show you how we can extend our video with the help of Grok AI. This tool provides a very interesting feature where you can extend the video from the same scene. So guys, as you can see, the progress is at 43% and now our first video scene is ready. It looks super amazing, very nice, and very beautiful. Now what you need to do is very simple. You can download it, but you don't actually need to download it. You will see 3 dots there. Click on those 3 dots, and then click Extend Video. After that, copy the second image prompt, scene 2, and paste it here. Then go back again to ChatGPT, copy the scene 2 text-to-video prompt, and paste it into Grok AI. Then go back again to ChatGPT and copy the voiceover script for scene 2. Paste that here as well. After that, click Generate. Now our next generation will start. This generation will continue exactly from where the first video ended. It will extend the video by another 6 seconds. So guys, after a short time, our next video scene will be ready. Our goal is not just to teach you animation. Our goal is to help you earn money online. You can create these types of videos, build channels like this, create TikTok channels, and not just one. You can create 2 or even 3 channels. Many creators are earning in this way. Now you can see that our second video scene is ready. Look at how amazing, super nice and beautiful it looks. Now I will copy scene 3. After copying it, I paste it here. Then I paste the text-to-video prompt for scene 3. Next, I also paste the voiceover for scene 3. After that, I click Generate again. Now our next generation will start. In a short time, our video will be ready. This tool usually generates the video in about 30 to 40 seconds. If you purchase the Pro plan, it can generate 10 seconds or more of video, and you can even generate videos longer than 1 minute. You can create as many videos as you want. If it already allows a lot in the free version, then with the Pro version, you can do even more. Now you can see our third scene is ready. It started exactly from the point where the previous scene ended, which looks super amazing. In the same way, you just need to click the 3 dots again and click Extend Video. After clicking Extend Video, go back to ChatGPT and copy the scene. 4 image prompt, then paste it into Grok AI. After that, go back again to ChatGPT and copy the scene 4 text-to-video prompt and paste it here. Then copy the scene 4 voiceover and paste it as well. After that, click Generate again. Now our next generation has started, and in a short time the video will be ready. As you can see, our 4th video scene is ready. In the same way, you can generate the 5th scene as well. With the free version, you can create videos up to around 30 seconds. If you want longer than that, you may need the Pro plan. But if you are creating short videos, then 30 seconds is already very powerful and effective, so simply generate the next scenes in the same way. So guys, this was the final result. As you saw, this time we did not need any text-to-speech tool, and we did not need any editing tool. The only tool we used was Grok AI, which automatically combined all the scenes and added the voiceover to create a complete video. So guys, you just need to create a channel like the one I showed you on TikTok and upload videos like this. Then, you will see how you can start earning. If you liked today's video, please like and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.